Hi, welcome to CES. My name is George Hempt. I'm a product marketing engineer with ST with our application-specific product group. Here I'm showing a smart washing machine. So we're showing software and hardware solutions to optimize energy efficiency and saving water for your washing cycle. So in terms of the software, we have our edge.AI. We'll do a weight estimation. So this is based on centraless current detection. So it'll determine the load in the drum of the washing machine. This will help it spin more efficiently. It'll dynamically change the spinning based on the load in the washing bin. This will optimize the energy efficiency as well as save you water every cycle. In terms of the software solutions, we compare duration as well as the energy consumption per cycle. So we're comparing a standard centraless algorithm compared to our Zest algorithm. So this is a proprietary algorithm that does zero speed, high torque, so it saves a lot of energy at startup. On the hardware side, we previously used our IGBT solutions, but we're now optimized this with our high voltage gallium nitride. So this is using our half bridge as well as our 700 volt GaN MOSFETs. So this has helped contribute to the 50% of energy savings, as well as contribute to significant water savings per cycle in your washing machine. Thank you very much for your attention. If you want more information on this, please visit our website.